If you are having trouble sending money on Cash App, this video will guide you through several troubleshooting steps to help resolve the issue. First, check your account and daily limits. Open your profile in the app, review your status in the personal section, and ensure you have completed any required identity verification. If you have reached your sending limit, try a smaller amount. Next, verify your internet connection. A stable connection is necessary for transactions. Try toggling your Wi-Fi, using airplane mode to reset mobile data, or restarting your router if you are connected to home internet. Third, keep your app updated and clear the cache. Outdated versions or corrupted files can cause errors. Check your App Store for updates or go to your phone's settings to clear the app cache within the Application Management section. You should also review your linked bank and card details. Access the Banking tab to ensure your information is correct and not expired. You may need to unlink and relink your payment method or contact your bank to check for transaction blocks. If you still cannot send money, contact Cash App support. You can reach them through the profile icon in the app by selecting the support option or by visiting their official help website for further investigation. Finally, platform-specific maintenance can help. For iOS, try offloading and reinstalling the app. For Android, you can manage apps in settings to clear your cache directly. These steps often resolve lingering issues.